What is up, guys? Welcome back to the German Muscle channel. So before I get into today's video, I just want to tell you guys that I started a second YouTube channel. It's called Prank Master. I will be changing the name of it pretty soon because there's actually like 10 other YouTubers that have that name, which is pretty weird. Anyways, I filmed a drive-through prank video the other day. Got the cops called on me. I didn't film any of the parts where I was talking to the cops just because I didn't want them to ask me all kinds of questions about my YouTube channel or anything like that. But basically, a guy got scared because I went through the drive-thru with the mask on, which is exactly what I thought was going to happen. The whole time that I was recording the video, I was sitting there thinking like somebody's going to call the cops and say that I'm trying to rob the place or something like that. That video was actually 11 minutes long, and half of it was just me talking like, I hope they don't try to like think I'm trying to rob the place or something like that. But anyways, the guy gets up and he walks over somewhere, tells somebody to call the cops, and then he goes back over and sits down and then starts laughing. You can actually hear him laugh faintly in the video. And then once I left the store, I went over to McDonald's. I was actually going to prank them too, but a cop pulled in and I knew that they was there for me, so I pulled out of the line, went over and parked, and then they came up and was talking to me. They said that they got a call of somebody pranking the drive-thru, and somebody got scared and called the cops because they thought that it was going to be a robbery. And I explained to him that it was for a prank video and all that stuff, and he asked me my YouTube channel, and I told him that it was alien hunting ventriloquist or something like that, and I just threw him way off. But anyways, yeah, I got a prank video. If you guys want to go check it out, I think it's pretty funny. It's my very first ever prank video that I've ever done to anybody in public. I was actually like really nervous and stuff like that. So if you guys want to go check the video out, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Go sub to the channel, and I'm going to see which channel will blow up faster. So this one has 124 subscribers, and that one already has 8 subscribers. So let's get that channel up to 1,000 before the end of the year is up. Okay guys, so that's where I'm going to end the video at. I couldn't get the valve cover all the way because there's too many electrical wires in the way. I didn't feel like breaking anything or taking anything apart and potentially messing something up. So that's as far as I got to cleaning it. You should never get anything on a belt. I did get something on a belt and I wiped it right off. So I wasn't able to use the wax on the hose because it says it's not for rubber. So I just used Meguiar's car shampoo and got all the nasty stuff off. But anyways, this is the engine bay. It is actually a lot cleaner than mine. So this is my engine bay, in case you guys forgot what it looked like. So I actually spent more time on my mom's car cleaning it up than I did my own car. So anyways, if you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up on it. Leave a comment if you guys have tried this for your car and it worked. Check the description if you guys want to know everything that I used in this video to get this engine bay looking top notch. The reason why these plastics came out darker looking is because they don't go through as much of a heat cycle as this one does. This one's right over top the intake. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notification, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.